Hey everybody, welcome back to my new vlog, guys. This is Mortaza Nazri in front of you guys again, and most welcome back to my new vlog after a long time, guys. Sorry because I have one shooting for one new song, guys, and my new song, my first song, coming soon. So guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and guys, we are ready. Today is Sunday for that, so let's go. I'm going to Moscow, to Old Delhi, so let's go with my family and with Lolly. So let's go, guys. I will show you the two Moscow of Old Delhi. So let's go. So let's go, guys. We are outside from home, and we're going to for getting some auto rickshaw, or let's go, guys. We're going, and smash the like button, subscribe button fast. Finally, guys, we arrived in masjid. So we are inside of one room because outside from this masjid, and there is a lot of people. I don't know what happened here today. So let's go. So let me ask from someone, and I will tell you, and I will record it for you guys. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of mans. So let's go. We are inside of one room, and let me ask, and I will show you guys. Guys, there is some mark of hand here, and there is some mark of feet. Let's go, guys. Here's also a mark of hand.
दस्तूर किसको क्या लगता है ये मैटर नहीं करता। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सामने किसी इंडिविजुअल की वैल्यू नहीं होती। आप इस बात को क्लियर अपने माइंड में लेके चलिए। मैं क्या सोचता हूँ ये मैटर नहीं करता, दस्तूर क्या कहता है वो मैटर करता है। आप अगर दस्तूर पर उंगली उठाकर बाइकआउट करना चाहते हैं तो कर दीजिए, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। भाई सारे लोग भी अगर बाइकआउट करते हैं, जब तक दस्तूर में अमेंडमेंट नहीं करते वो सारी बात गलत है। अगर आप इसके ऊपर कोई ऑब्जेक्शन करना चाहते हैं, आप इस पर कोई बहस करना चाहते हैं, तो दस्तूर की रोशनी में कीजिए। हंगामा करके इसका कोई फैसला नहीं किया जा सकता। अभी अभी आपने बेंच बैठे हुए हैं, आप ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग कीजिए। उसके बाद मेरी दरख्वास्त ये है, इसमें कोई शर्मिंदगी की बात नहीं है। जो भी सदर होगा पूरी कौम का होगा।
Guys, actually here is some election for voting to owner of this mosque. So let's see, guys, who will be win. And I don't know, just now they're like the peoples, they're going to answer from this mosque because they're saying like we're not agree with this election, and they're going to answer from Moscow. So let's see, guys, and we're inside of this room, and I don't know, I think it's gonna be bad because the peoples they're not agree with this election, and let's see, they're not agree with this voting, and let's see, guys. Finally, guys, we arrived in second masjid, and guys, here is very rainy day. Today is very rainy day, and I'll show you guys. And here's our Ronnie.
Come here. Come.
I'll show you guys the rain. Oh my god. I think you can listen to the sound of rain. Look at this, guys. There's a railway station. Let me zoom it. Look at this, guys. There's a railway station, and guys, look at this. Woo! Look at the rain, man. Oh my god, look at this. What should I tell you, bro? I don't know. How should we go to home back because today is very rainy, Look at the.
I go to the train.
I go to the rain.
Let's
I
go
go to the rain. Guys, look at the sound of the rain, guys. Oh my God, it's unexpected, guys. Yay! Dance, dance, let's dance, let's dance. Oh my God, look at the railway station, man. Guys, look at the water of building. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Naku. Guys, you're going to outside from this mosque. I will show you the road of Old Delhi. Look at this, man. I have one umbrella. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. It's unexpected. Oh my gosh, bro. It's unexpected. Look at this, guys. It's my mom's shoes.
It's my shoe.
Oh my god. Got it. Yeah, bro.
Just in order.
One. Put down the rock, bhai. Put rail station. Guys, we're going to rail station. Let's go.
I go to.
Man, look at this. For the first time, guys, we are going to rail station. And oh my gosh, look at this. There is a lot of people. And they're waiting for rail. And look at the weather, man. The weather is so great.
Nice weather.
Here's
The
no,
weather is nice, Rana.
nobody is here.
Nobody knows the one.
Yeah, bro. Unexpected, bros. Look at this.
Let's go inside.
Ah. Guys, look at the rail station, man. This train is on.
कैसे होना?
Huh?
कैसे होना? होना यार किधर?
Look at this, guys. There's a lot of train. But here, oh my gosh, what's this? That's the rail station, bitch. Look at this, guys. Yeah, bro. How are you? There's Sina, guys.
Where is Sina? Hona.
Okay, guys. Here's a lot of money, man. Here's a lot of water.
Man some water.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's our first time, yeah? Today's Sunday, so I thought today's Sunday, today's holiday. So let's see, let's record our song. But we'll come to Moscow and after some time. So today is a rainy day, so for that, so we can't record our song. We can't go to back home because of the weather. Look at this. Look at the roads. Look at the peoples. Man, it's unexpected. It's a Delhi. So for that, guys, our song, our new song,
Arrogant.
my
New-
Lollies or Sinas.
Sina Chapri.
Our first song is coming soon, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe button, guys. Lolly have one channel, Lolly Gamers, and guys, otherwise you can see here's our Lolly's channel. So here you can follow and smash the like button, subscribe button, my video and his video. So let's go, guys. Oh my gosh, for the first time at raining day to rail station.
It's coming. Train.
Yeah, one train is coming. Hey driver, we are waiting for you.
Come here.
Yeah. Hey uncle, come fast.
Uncle, come fast. मर जाएगा वरना तुम.
Oh my god, let's go.
No. Waiting.
Go little street. Yes, guys, here's our train.
That's our. Hey,
Here's our train.
our train, guys.
Guys, look at there. Oh my god. You. Let's dance.
Yeah,
Dance. Nacho. Yeah, bro.
Let's go. Any more than I need.
Yeah, guys, there is also one train, but it's off. I think it's stopped. So let's go to mosque again, back.
No,
And guys, there's our
Gang.
masjid. So let's go to inside. And there is one girl also. They're running for weather.
Let's go, brother.
And let's go. Yeah, baby. Yo, stop. Oppie. Let's go. Woo. Nacho, 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 nacho. Hey, yo. Here's clean water. Oh my gosh, here's one paracetamol, guys. Do you have fever?
No.
If you have a fever, so you can eat it. Don't put it. Are you crazy? Don't put it. Okay, guys, this is the mind of Lali. Look at this. Man, look. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my God, look at this boy. The John Cena. So guys, let's go. We're going to home back, and now is stop. The raining is stopped, so let's go. We're going to home back fast, and we're Jared from here, and we're going. So let's go, guys. I was in Bogle because of the weather, and I can't record the video from road. Let's go. So let's go, guys. We are outside from Moscow. Look at this, and this is the road of Old Delhi. So let's go. We're going to Bogle, to our home, and let's go, bro. System.
System पार डालेंगे. System पार डालेंगे.
पार डालेंगे, system पार देंगे. Let's go, bro. Oh my God, the rain will be start, guys, again. Look at this. Look at this, guys. So guys, we're waiting for bus, and here, oh my gosh, I have some story from here, from this iron, guys, from this tree, from this boy. Guys, let's go. I don't know
Bus is coming. Let's go.
which bus. Then,
Coming.
oh, this bus.
Green color, green.
It's not going to Janpura.
Going.
It's not going.
Come.
You melt the ice behind my stone.